From the sands of the Sahara to the forests of the south, trade has shaped Africa for centuries. Long before written records, goods, ideas and cultures flowed across the continent. These exchanges, driven by the need for resources and the desire for profit, created a vibrant network of interconnected communities. Sub-Saharan Africa, a region of diverse environments and peoples, was no exception. This region witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the spread of new technologies and the fusion of cultures, all propelled by the dynamic forces of trade. The origins of sub-Saharan trade can be traced back to ancient times. Archaeological evidence points to the exchange of goods like salt, obsidian and beads across vast distances. These early trade networks laid the foundation for the more extensive and sophisticated trade routes that would emerge in later centuries. At the heart of the sub-Saharan trade lay a precious metal gold. Abundant in regions of West Africa, gold became a sought-after commodity, traded across the Sahara and beyond. It fueled the economies of powerful empires and attracted merchants from distant land. But gold was not the only treasure sought after in the bustling markets of sub-Saharan Africa. Salt, a vital mineral for human consumption, was another key commodity. Mined in the Sahara Desert, salt was transported southwards where it was exchanged for gold and other goods. This trade in salt was essential for the survival and prosperity of communities in sub-Saharan Africa. Alongside gold and salt, other goods flowed through the trade routes. Kola nuts with their stimulating properties were highly valued. Textiles, crafted from cotton and other materials, added color and cultural significance to the exchange. The trans-Saharan trade routes traversing the formidable Sahara Desert formed the backbone of the sub-Saharan trade network. These routes, often spanning hundreds of miles, connected the North African coast to the heart of the continent. Camels, known as the ships of the desert, played a crucial role in this arduous journey, carrying heavy loads across the unforgiving terrain. Beyond the Sahara, trade routes extended southwards, connecting different regions of sub-Saharan Africa. Rivers like the Niger and the Congo became important arteries of trade, facilitating the movement of goods and people. Coastal trade routes also flourished, linking East Africa to the Indian Ocean trade network. The impact of the sub-Saharan trade extended far beyond the exchange of goods. It fostered cultural exchange, facilitated the spread of knowledge, and shaped the destinies of empires. The trade routes acted as conduits for the transmission of ideas, beliefs, and technologies. Islamic influence, carried by Arab traders across the Sahara, had a profound impact on the cultural and religious landscape of West Africa. The empires of Ghana, Mali, and Songhai, which rose to prominence in West Africa, owed much of their wealth and power to their control over key trade routes and resources. Timbuktu, a city in present-day Mali, emerged as a major center of learning and commerce, attracting scholars, merchants, and adventurers from far and wide. The legacy of the sub-Saharan trade continues to shape the African continent today.